Good day everyone. Today I will explain briefly how a computer works. A computer works through a simple cycles: input, memory, control, allo, and output. First, we give instruction or data using input devices like a keyboard, mouse, or scanner. Next, the data goes to the memory, and from memory it's processed by the CPU, or a central processing unit, which acts as the brain of a computer. Inside the CPU, the control unit's direct operation. So pag umandon niya sa memory, process sa CPU, na daw siya sa control units to direct operation. Pag uman niya sa control units, mobile na sad siya sa memory. Then pag human niya sa memory, ihatag na sad niya balik kang allo or arithmetic logic units. So from arithmetic logic units, performs calculation and decision. So pag humana po niya, ibalik na po niya ka memory. So while processing, the computers uses RAM or random access memory to temporarily hold data for a quick access. For long-term storage, it saves information on hard drives or solid-state drives. Finally, the result is shown through output such as monitors, printers, and speakers. In short, a computer takes in data, processes it, stores it, and gives results. These cycles make it possible for us to do tasks like studying, gaming, communication, and works. And that's how computer works.